when I lost my dog. I was playing with my dog, Buzz. But then my dad called me and said I will have to lend your dog to my friend. I was really sad, so I was holding Buzz because I had to give him away. And I could tell that he didn't want to go. He was barking at the guy that was on the other side of the door. And just like Buzz, I didn't want him to go either. When the time came to give him away, I was squishing his inside out. And after a while, we both cried. 1 month later, my parents told me Buzz ran away when the man took him for a walk. He ran away? That was the sentence that was going in my head over and over again. I learned it's not fair to a dog to travel a lot and leave them alone. Also, I was too young to have a pet, to take care of him properly, but still, I miss Buzz.